And we have from Karan, your ads reporting is not right. What can you do about that? Your ads reporting isn't right. What do you mean? There are many reasons your ads reporting isn't right. Either is your event manager is not set up properly. So you probably want to make sure that you have all the events set up properly in your Facebook Pixel Events Manager. And on top of that, then you probably want to see how you can, I think that's one thing. You get to get a domain verified, get the events sorted out, and all this kind of thing. And okay, another angle to look at this is like, I always tell people that, look, Facebook advertising, Facebook Ads Manager is not an analytical tool. If you have reporting problem, then try to fix this. But on top of that, right, you should know that on your Google Analytics site to see whether you have purchase coming in and all this kind of thing. Sometimes this is really some problem that we had since the iOS 14.5 update. So yeah, fix the Events Manager and see whether it helps. Else, I don't know. Actually, it's very vague. Okay, Karan, I hope I answered your question, because you're just asking, oh, my ads reporting is not right. What can I do right now? To be frank, can you even go more specific? But anyway, thanks for the question.